Requirements of a good track. A permanent way or track should provide comfortable and safe ride at the maximum permissible speed with minimum maintenance cost. To achieve these objectives, a sound permanent way should have the following characteristics. Number 1. The gauge should be correct and uniform. As you can see there, the gauge should be correct and uniform, like this. That means there should be no improper ways or disbalancement between the tracks. It should be straightforward and uniform throughout. Number 2. The rails should have perfect cross levels. In curves, the outer rails should have proper super elevation to take into account the centrifugal force. Like this. Cross levels is the measurement of the difference in elevation height between the top surface of the two rails at any point of railroad track. The 2 points each at the head of each rail are measured by the right angles to the reference rail. One more thing I am saying, in curves the outer rails should have proper super elevation to take into account the centrifugal forces. Number 3. The alignment should be straight and free of kinks. In the case of curves, a proper transition should be provided between the straight track and the curve, as you can see in the image. Number 4. The gradient should be uniform and as gentle as possible. The change of gradient should be followed by a proper vertical curve to provide a smooth ride. Gradients are provided to negotiate the rise or fall in the level of the railway track. A rising gradient is one in which the track rises in the direction of the movement of traffic, and down or falling gradient is one which the track loses elevation in the direction of the movement of traffic. As you can see here, the gradient is upward. It is increasing, raising to the upward side at the direction of movement. Here is an example of an upward gradient. The track, number 5th, the track should be resilient and elastic in order to absorb the shocks and vibrations of running trains, like this, as you can see in the image. Number 7. The track should have a good drainage system so that the stability of the track is not affected by waterlogging. Here you can see that the railway track has been constructed on a bridge, and hence it is not being affected by waterlogging as soon as the water level or any moisture reach to the abutment of the bridge. Number 7. The track should have good lateral strength so that it can maintain its stability despite variations in temperature and other such factors. As you know that whenever the temperature rises, it expands. Whenever it decreases, it shrinks. So to maintain its strength, it should have been providing a good lateral strength so that it can stabilize whenever there is a variation in temperatures. There should be provisions for easy replacement and renewal of the various track components. there should be easy for and removal of the various track components so that we can give a maintenance, and that means the track should have such a structure that not only is its initial cost low but also maintenance cost is minimum. These are the requirements of a good track. Thank you. Have a nice day.